Yeah, good morning, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about uh, two important annotations, at the rate component and at the rate component scan. So, what is the definition and where we use these annotations? We will see with the example. First, what is at the rate component? At the rate component is the annotation which we mention at the class level. So any Java bean, if we mention this class is eligible for component scan. So this denotes that this class is a component class or a bean, Spring Bean, and this class is flagged so that components can uh, when the component scan is append, these classes will be detected and configured in Spring context. And what is at the rate component scan? At the rate component scan annotation, if we give at class level, and it denotes that uh, Spring can look into the uh, what are all packages can look and what are all packages can scan to get the components like annotations. The class are annotated with at the rate component or more specific annotations like service or repository or controller annotations. Those classes will be detected using component scan for those from those packages and getting configured in Spring context. So we'll go to the application and we'll see with example. Yeah, this is my Spring application. I have given at the rate component scan, but this is not required as a Spring application. Spring Boot application default having at the rate component scan. So, and I am trying to see from the application context that there are two beans, bean one and bean two. Like these are the beans. Uh, are these beans are configured in application context or not? So here, if you won't give any base package, here Spring looks into the default package where Spring main application resides. So it is looking into this package and it didn't find any beans matching with this name. So it is giving false for this bean. Means those beans are not found in Spring context. Now we will mention what are all packages. So bean1 is residing at .a and bean2 at class is at .b package. So I'm configuring those. So here the base packages, we can mention the list of packages. ORG sunrise.a. I'm mentioning only one package for now and see at least one bin is getting detected. Still, no bin is getting detected, even though I mentioned the package where the bin1 is reset. The reason is bin1 is a simple Java class. It is not annotated with any component or more specific annotations like service or controller. So this class is not eligible as of now to get registered with application context. To get recognized and to uh, get scanned these classes, we need to mention uh, this class as component class, Spring component class, and we can provide some name. So I'm providing bean1 and let's see. Now component scan will happen to this package. So this annotation tells Spring that go through this package, base package, and looks for the eligible beans. So here bin1 got detected and it is get configured in context. And now we'll do the same configuration in Spring bin2. So I'm giving at the rate component and I'm giving name as bin2. And now scanning will happen and only A as of now because I didn't configure B. Or we can give base package. So it will look for child packages inside this sub packages, whatever in watches and pace. So those two bins got detected and configured in a Spring context. So hope you understood like what exactly at the rate component is doing and at the rate component scan is doing. And we have seen the example. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel.